Hi everyone. Today we're going to learn how to apply for our personal email. As you know, the email or electric mail is by far one of the fastest and the cheapest ways of communication in the world. You don't need to write down what you want to say in a piece of paper, fold it, put it into the envelope, go to the post office, buy stamps and put it on the envelope and drop it to the mailbox and wait at least 2 days to get your mails delivered. Now, if you have your own email address, all you need to do is to type what you want to say and press the sending button. And the recipient of your letter will get your mail in less than a second. Isn't that amazing? So let's start to learn how to get your personal email. First of all, let's open our Google Chrome on your mobile phone, which we have already learned before. If you don't know how it works, just look for our video lesson called Old People Learn How to Download and Install Google Chrome on your cell phone. So first of all, let's start the Google Chrome. Press the button of Google Chrome first. And then let's put our keywords Gmail, G-M-A-I-L. The reason I choose that we apply for the Gmail address is because this is the most popular email address in the world. So just put into the Gmail and press the button, and then you can see the first item is called the Gmail Google. So just press it, and you can see the first mailbox is my personal mailbox. So I'll just choose another one, and let's press the second one, use another account. Just pretending that you don't have the personal Gmail address before, so let's press the create account button to create a new account. Okay, you can just choose for myself, and then put your first name. Okay, just take me for another example. My first name is C-H-E-N, and my last name is M-E-N-G. Oh, you can see here, the system will just automatically give you your personal name for the email address. And there's an alternative, like MENG8762, CMENG2888, or MCHEN4922. So all of these are the available names of your Gmail address. So you can just pick up one. And then next one is that you need to put into a password. Okay, after you finish putting all the code number, then you can just press the next. Uh-oh, it seems that my password is not strong enough. So yeah, just pay attention to this one. If you want to set up the password for your personal email box, just try a mix of letters, numbers, or symbols. But you cannot just put the code in the form of all numbers. So let's try again. Just make sure that the codes, all these codes are exactly the same. And then we press next. Here we go. And we need to put our personal number. Okay, my personal number is 512-203-4429. And then we press next. Oh, here you can just pay attention to the question, save password. You can choose either to save your passwords so that you can save time next time we want to log in, or you can just choose never to protect your privacy. Usually I would just choose save for the sake of convenience. So let's press the button next. Okay. Now we need to put in the verification code. Okay, the verification code will just will be sent to you automatically by the system, and it's a bunch of numbers. You can just check your mobile phone, and usually it will send to you by the form of the short message. Okay, I just got my short message about the verification code. It's okay, let's put it here, 958178, and you just press the verify. Okay, so now you can see at the very top of this website is the name of your email address, mengc3579@gmail.com. And next is your cell phone number and your date of birth, but you can choose not to fill in that. It is totally optional. And next, you can press next button. Oh, it seems that we need to put in our personal information here. Okay. This is my birthday. I hate to input my age, but it is a must for me to apply for the email address. And my gender, of course, female, and then press next. Okay, we're almost there. And okay, you can just skip this step. And this is about the privacy in terms, something like that, blah, blah, blah. You don't have to read all this. It's just press I agree. Okay, our job is done. So now this is the first letter you have received in your mailbox, in your email box. And now you have your own personal mailbox. Congratulations. And just to try to press the first letter in your mailbox. And oh, this is a kind of how to say, the welcome letter from Google. And you could just ignore it and press the inbox from the upper left corner of your homepage. And just pay attention to the red button with the pen symbol. That's the button that will make you to create your own mail. You can just put the button, the red button, on the upper on the upper right side of the homepage, and look at the first one. To this blank, in this blank, you need to put the email address of the recipient. For example, I can put it one of my another email address, LOUD. Underline symbol and 1006 at 1 63.com. Put some keywords to your letter recipients to tell them what your letter is about. Let's just give an example. For example, welcome letter. Welcome letter from Chin. Okay, you have done about your letter subject, and now you're going to type something about what you're going to say to communicate with your letter recipient. It's all totally depends on your purpose and your interest. You can just write down anything, just like you write down a piece of paper and in a traditional letter form. So I can just type HELL, hello. How are you, my friend? And that's it. The next, after you have finished typing all the content that you want to say, and you can just press the send button on the upper right corner of your homepage. And our job is done. Your new email has been sent to your recipient. And if you want to say the letters that you have already sent out, just press the button at the corner, on the upper left corner of your homepage, and check the third item, sent mail. Here you can see this is the letter that you just sent out. And press it, and then you can see the content. Hello, how are you, my friend? So this is the letter that you have sent out. This is my another email address. Oh, it's in Chinese version. You can press the button. Can see at the bottom of my mailbox, there's the letter that I just sent. You can just open it, and this is the content that I just sent from my newly built Gmail box. Hello, how are you, my friend? So that's all about how to build up your own personal Gmail box and send letters. You can just keep on practicing until you're quite familiar with all the process of this sending email letters. And it is quite convenient, and it saves you a lot of time about sending letters. Have any questions? You can just leave the questions in the comment place, and we can just have discussion together.